Guys, after 6 years in college, this is finally my last semester. So get ready with me and today I'll wear this. First off, this is ukay. Feel ko alam niyo na, ukay to and binili ko siya kasi unique siya. Parang tada 20 pesos lang siya. And gusto ko siyang matry style. So let's see. Also pala, I only have one class today and it's online. Pero gusto ko ba din magdamit-damit? You know, para you look good, you feel good and everything and you do good. I was thinking, maganda sana to kung may orange skirt ako. Alam niyo yun? Kasi orange yung parang lining niya dito. Tapos skirt na orange kasi wala akong orange skirt. So, gusto ko, lagyan siya ng inner top. And how about this? Let's try muna. Huwag ka muna masyadong mag-react dyan, okay? Here's the initial look. I hope you're seeing the vision. Okay, with a skirt is actually cute. Pero parang gusto kong gawing parang boyish yung vibe niya. Wait, this is the boyish outfit. The skirt is very cute. It's giving girlfriend. This is giving, I will steal your girlfriend. Hey, ano ba yun, te? I like this. Parang it's giving, I'm tall. Like, I'm a tall girl. Tall girl energy. Gusto ko yung how yung top na to, it matches with the jorts. So like, yeah. I'm satisfied with this. So, this is our final outfit. This is ukay. Ukay din to. Parang 20 or 25 pesos. And then yun, orange up. That's it for this video and see you sa next videos. Kasi nga, onti na lang, gagraduate na tayo. So, patapos na ang ating get ready with me for school. That's it. Bye. So, bukas na pala yung class, guys. Akala ko Friday na. Masyadong ma-excite. Okay, goodbye.